Recording, yes, we are recording. Right, so we have a chest-mounted GoPro. That is the HMS Caroline. This is the docks in Belfast. And I'm going to try and grab my gimbal here without killing it. Got it. So, we have gimbal. What the fuck all that's about? Only 20% battery remaining. Okay, right, so we'll do this quickly. Get rid of that, get rid of that. So, good morning, folks. Got all the equipment not that very long ago, and a couple of medical health issues have prevented me from coming out skating, but well, the weather has played a big part in that too. But we're up and running now, and as you can see, the sun is out, the wind is down, it's very early, there's very few people about, and let's just do this. So this is what is known as the Maritime Mile. As I say, over there, well, there's one of the Harland Wolf cranes. There's the HMS Caroline in the sun. That's Titanic Studios. And over there are the docks, obviously. Right. We're coming up on one of the glass of films. Quite like these things have just popped up all over the place. And I'm not 100% sure if my microphone's connected or not. But this is all just trial stuff at the moment, so I might go on my hours here. Because that is not friendly stuff. But anyway, here we go. Oh, we made it. Get down here without killing people. Oh, not too bad. A very nice morning, actually. I'm very pleased with that. And this is a lighthouse, believe it or not. Now, it'll probably tell you here why they put a lighthouse at the opening of a dock in a lock. I mean, if you're in command of a ship and you can't see this bit of land, well, you might have more problems than, well, you might have more problems than anything. But anyway, we shall continue. Oh, look at the sky there. There's me. Right, I am not a professional skater by any stretch of imagination. Oh, panic, panic! I can only imagine what that looks like. A 6-foot man, 50 years of age, skating towards you with a bunch of equipment strapped to him. Anyway, we're here now. No, we're not here just yet, but Glass of Thrones. Oh, one of the love locks. Skaters access. Oh, there's one of Belfast heroes. An ambulance man. Out decompressing. God only knows what that man's seen yesterday, last night, 10 minutes ago. There we go. Spin you right round. Oh. We seem to have lost control of the gimbal. Well, this might be the bit where I get into trouble. capture my face as I have a terrible crash here. No, no. Keep going. Incidentally, if you ever come to the Titanic area, that's the Titanic Hotel. And if the weather's good and you peep out the back there, you will see me skating in the morning. Come out and say hello. Now all of this is new. Well, all of that. All these hotels just sprung up like literally overnight. Spared of something or other. Now that's all cobblestones. I do not need that. And there is the Titanic. For those of you that can't read. Right, I think the battery's going to cut out in this at some point soon. Oh, danger, danger, danger. No, we're good. There we go. Now, there's the SS, nomadic. Taxi ship of Titanic or something, I don't know. I can't really go down there because there's cobblestones. Be very entertaining for you lot watching me fall my arse, but not really interested in that right now. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, there's the Airfix Titanic model. I love that. Getting a rose whenever you're a kid. Born. Models you got. Clipped together, stuck them together. Fantastic. Oh, start with that pigeon. Now, I do need to watch. Born. I do need to watch because of shit like that. Right, all in all, that wasn't too bad. This is my first go out with, well, 2 cameras, a microphone, I'm not too sure it's working. This thing here is a sensory something or other. I have no idea what it is, but if we go down in and circle underneath, the sensors up above that start turning and clattering them poles. Not entirely sure what the sound is meant to replicate, but what do you hear this? Turned on. Oh well, not working today. Right, homewards. Oh, where am I now? Well, we'll go to the bridge and turn around again. Come back. Another glass of Thrones. Are you still on? Yes, you are. Right. You know what? There's a natural turn at the end here. We'll take it. These obstacles are getting a bit obstacle. And I could be doing with a drink, frankly. But, yeah, I'm pleased with this. All the happy smiley faces of Belfast. Coffee station shop thing. Right, we're just going to spin it around here. Head back. Now we will do a video across there. They've developed that. Very nice gardens and whatnot. Now I do hope that the microphone is working for the simple reason it is a bit windy at the moment. And as this is a new channel and all this carry-on is new to me, this is what we're doing. The gimbal seems to have a mind of its own for some reason. Now I have it in lock, pan and tilt or whatever that is, but it seems to just want to wander wherever it wants to go. Now this is the DJI 7P gimbal, and I bought it because of the built-in tripod, the extender arm and the tracking, but the tracking does not work. I've never got it to work, so I sent the first one back, didn't work, got another one, exact same problem, and apparently this is just a thing. It generally only ever tends to work on iPhones, the newest and most expensive model. I myself am using Samsung's finest, and it does work, but the tracking doesn't, but we shall endure. But that said, I say this gimbal just decides to take off as and when it pleases now and again, and I'm not entirely sure how to control it just yet. Just realised there's a very annoying clacking going on there. It's my eyelets from the hoodie string clattering on the camera. See, and that's why we need the microphone. It's very, very windy right now. Well, I say windy. Now, generally, when you are skating, you're going to want the wind under 10 miles an hour. Otherwise, you just get blown around all over the place. Turn that away from these people. Because I know people don't like how the camera's stuck on their faces. I particularly don't like it. Well, not that I don't like it, but you know, you're out in public, you've absolutely no say in the matter. And here I am with the camera out in public, so I can't really say much. So all in all, I'm going to rate this a success. So, well, no, I'm the back yet. Delegate thing here. People's faces when they see a 50-year-old on skates. Sorry if this footage is a bit erratic and all over the place, but I'm nearly 52 years of age and fighting with technology and skating, and it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so shut up. Dun, dun, dun. Right, funny enough, I used to have to walk up and down this road every single morning. My apprenticeship for there. 16 years of age, walked out of school into one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. Learnt that very quickly, and the hard way. But here we are, 52 years of age, still out and about skating after illness, injury, surgeries, and a bunch of other unpleasant stuff. Life, just life, you know. I'm sure you're just the same. Only more focused on you, not me. Oh, nearly went there. Right. Oh. There we go. You need to hold your hand up, Peter. That's when the gimbal keeps on. Ooh. Yep, enjoyed that. I'm not going to say it until I actually get back. Oh, there's the cops. Well, the cops want. Where are the cops? Oh, he's walking his dog, eh? Oh, he's not interested in me. Where's he parked, actually? So, there we go. So, all in all, where are you? Other way, there we go. All in all, I'm going to call that a success. I didn't expect to get all the way down there without falling at least several times, which I did not, and I didn't want to say it until I got back, and I still haven't fallen. Oh, but, yeah. Right. I'm going to sit down for a moment, but yeah, I think I'll do it for here. So, yeah, I'll do, yeah, there we go. Alright, bye. Hope to stop you too.